Now, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that you're not likely to see in the land. The bridled tern. The bridled tern is a seabird of the family Brilleterne. Tropical tern with grey back, black cap and white forehead. It is a bird of the tropical oceans. Non-breeding and immatures have a messy dark nape, more similar to sooty tern but paler grey above with more extensive white tail edges, paler undersides of flight feathers as well as longer and more slender eyebrow. Also compare with the paler grey-backed tern. It breeds on islands usually concealed by a large rock or bush. Rarely seen near land except when blown off course by a hurricane. Their calls are like locally named Kadiyalam Muhudulihiniya. I have not seen the bridled tern. As mentioned before, you will see them out in the sea. Given here is a picture of whale watching in Sri Lanka. In fact, Sri Lanka is the only country in the world where you can see the two largest animals of the ocean and of the land within few hours' time. You can see an elephant at Yala or Udawalawa and see a blue whale on a whale watching tour from Mirissa or Galle.